laying out some pickets on this hand railing for these stairs. Let me show you a quick trick to get the layout just using a little basic math. The pickets are 1.5 inches and it's 3.5 inch spacing, which means there will be a picket every 5 inches. First, get a measurement of your span. It is 59 inches. So if I were to start my pickets against that post, come down to here, the last one would be 55. Add 1.5 inches to that and I would have 56. So that space is a little bit close because you're gonna divide that by 2. So I'll drop back to 50, add 1.5 inches, which is 51.5. Now I'm measuring back to my mark and I have 7.5 inches. So if I were to start the pickets from that end, this is where they would stop and I would have this big of space here. But if you divide that in half and center it, you're gonna have, centered pickets. You just install your top picket with that space that you came up with. And to mark off the rest of them, once this is leveled, you can just pull your tape measure and work your way down and mark this. I'll come to the bottom to show you what we've got. My tape hooked on that picket, pulling straight across. We have 50 plus 1.5 inches is 51.5. And that gives us a 3 3/4 space. Now 3 3/4 is a little bigger than 3.5, which is what this is spaced out. But yeah, no one's ever gonna notice that difference. So if this video was helpful and you understood it, please like it. If you didn't understand it, leave a comment and let me know so I can explain it better if I need to.